What's up, YouTube? Goonies here with another demo vid for you guys. This one here comes to us from Warrior Fireworks. It is called the M-8 Avenger, and it is a fountain, basically, like a giant sparkler. And you guys can see it is shaped like a badass machine gun here, AR-15 it looks like. It says, use on learning, performance description. A cool handheld fountain in the shape of a water gun with colored flames and silver sparks. So let's go light it up, and you guys let me know what you think of this one.